should every construction company use Takt Planning?
Should every company use Takt Planning? Every company should use Takt Planning. It works with civil, it works with industrial, it works with oil and gas, it works with renovations, it works with small projects, big projects, non-rhythmic projects. It works in every type of project because it's in a time by location format. It's color coded. You can make sure it flows. You can calculate the buffers. You can see where there might be trade stacking or trade burdening. All of lean and production and operation science is behind it. It allows you to see on one page. Every component of lean is there. It respects people. It creates stable environments. It focuses on one thing at a time in one piece flow. It gets anything that can be on a takt time on a takt time. It's visual, and it's based on doing one quality product at a time. And it allows you to improve because you do repeat. And for non-rhythmic projects, it doesn't matter. You still have, let's say that a rhythmic project has 11 benefits of takt. A non-rhythmic project will experience 7 to 9 of those benefits. Takt planning is the best thing that ever happened to construction. It takes a mindset shift because instead of rushing and pushing and panicking, you have to actually know what you're doing and plan your work. And you have to respect people. And you have to keep stable environments, which is the basic, which is construction 101. But there isn't a project in the world, even design. Just wrote a book about elevating design and construction, and literally you should use Scrum or the Kanban method early on in concept design, schematic design. Once you get in the DD/CD phase, you can do a pull plan and map that thing on a takt plan all day long. We do it all the time. There isn't anything that shouldn't be based on takt planning. The other thing is, if you went and talked to the Japanese or Toyota and said, is takt important? They would be like, takt is the base of everything we do.